know, one thing that I've always been a huge fan of is you. From ball tournaments to bridal gowns to whatever it may be, I've always supported you 110%. And I support you 110% in the decision that both of you have made today.
I love you both very much, and I wish this to be the first of many best days of your life. May you two have what I think are the two essential things you need for a successful marriage: a good sense of humor and selective hearing.
Evan is a leader also in our friends. He's not afraid to take challenges. He's not afraid to take risks. And this man stepped up, and he found that girl that he loves, and he ain't gonna let her go. Now I look forward to Evan being the leader in his household and for his family. So let's raise our glasses, let's raise our cans, whatever you've got, and a big toast to Mr. and Miss Evan Anderson.
Evan, you may kiss your bride, son. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Evan Anderson.
Never forget this scripture to live by. But at the beginning of creation, God made them male and female. For this reason, a man will leave his father and his mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no man separate.